how to fix Instagram broadcast channel option not showing. So let's get started. Firstly, open the App Store option available in your iPhone device. Then simply search for the Instagram option available there. Then make sure that you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. If there is a update option available in blue highlights, then simply update it. After that, go to your Instagram account and the broadcast channel option must be available till now, but still if there is some problem and you can't find the broadcast channel option again, then we have another solution as well. So firstly, go to the Instagram and check for the broadcast channel, and if it's not available, then simply make sure that your account is on creator account. So basically guys, if your account is on private account, then you can't get the broadcast channel option in your account or device. Your account must be on creator account so that you will get your broadcast channel option available. So after you change your account type, you will receive the new update of broadcast channel. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.